I never paid much attention to plants before I made my own home, and since then I fell in love with plants. Every moment that I get, I run shopping for plants. Plants are really refreshing to add to your outdoor and indoor space. They are not just good for aesthetics but have some other benefits too. Hi guys, I'm Sonika, an interior designer, and welcome to my channel, Coloraza Architecture and Interior Design. You don't need to be a plant lover to know this flower. It is the most common and loved flower. They can flower throughout the year. Roses need 6 hours of minimum sun. They love water but don't drown them. They need rich and well-draining soil. A great tip is to add banana peels to the soil, will give newly planted roses an early advantage. This is a bright colored flower with vividly colored petals. It has great medicinal values. Hibiscus needs 6 to 8 hours of sun for maximum flowering, partial shade for less flowering, daily watering in summers and less watering in cool seasons. Overwatering can kill. They need moist and well-draining soil, and a great tip is to add coffee grounds to the soil, which are really beneficial for this flower. It's a great tropical plant and makes for great evergreen climber plant. Its bright colors can do wonders to any gloomy garden. The plant loves open air and hot, dry climate. Bougainvilleas need 6 to 8 hours of sun minimum. If you want more leaves, you should water them more, and if you want more flowers, you should water them less. They need enriched border soil with well-rotten compost, and again, coffee grounds are beneficial for their soil. These are the most common summer plants. The plants come mostly colored in red, yellow and bright orange. The growth and maintenance of these plants are quite simple. Ixora needs full or partial sun. Always keep their soil moist. They need a well-drained acidic soil, and a great tip is to add some Epsom salt around it and water it for more flowering. This is an evergreen shrub native in India. The flower is used in all Ayurvedic products. It will bloom on and off all year, no matter what the lighting conditions are. Pinwheel prefers partial sun. They can tolerate short periods of drought, so you can weekly water them. They need rich and well-draining soil. Again, a great tip is to add coffee grounds to the soil. Do let me know your views in the comment section below. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.